Hands Up is in its third year now and it's funded around 40 projects. It allows students as individuals or as groups to make their ideas reality.
The Hands Up project helped us fund our very first society trip to the Edinburgh Fringe Festival in 2016. That was the first time that we could go up and perform on a national scale. It's something that our society has been wanting to do for so many years now, but it was financially impossible. We couldn't afford the venue, we couldn't afford the registration fee, and this was the first time we could do that.
Hands Up really helped women's football because we had loads of ideas, lots of enthusiastic people, but slightly short on resource.
Hands Up helped us to fund the bicycle recycling scheme. This is a scheme where we take the bikes that have been abandoned on campus, collect them up, repair them to working order, and then give them out for free to students who are in need of a bike. Secondly, Hands Up funded the mental health badminton scheme. This is a project that is exclusively for the students that have mental health diagnosis and is primarily there to help reduce the isolation that those students quite often feel.
The University of Birmingham Robotics Club has been lucky enough to receive Hands Up support for 2 years now. So last year, the Hands Up Fund were chiefly responsible for allowing the Robotics Club to participate in the International Eurobot competition. So to participate in this, our students built these 3 robots that you see here. We travelled to Paris to compete in the finals. All of these people have been given the chance to learn so much more about robotics and electronics and programming. With the continued support of the Hands Up Fund, hopefully the society will continue to grow and be able to provide experience in robotics for members of the EPS community for many years to come.
I mean, it's very cliche, but that sort of seed and the impact of the alumni community being able to project student ideas into fruition is just really wonderful to see.
I'd like to say to the people who've donated to the Hands Up Fund, thank you very much for what you've allowed us to achieve.
Thank you for helping us to help the more vulnerable members of the university community.
Thank you so much. It's been one of my greatest experiences at uni, and I know everyone else who went on the trip feels the same way. It's really changed our lives personally and also the society in a way we just couldn't have imagined.